Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix too many requests on ChatGPT. OpenAI users can ask the chat box for anything from writing code to solving complicated programs, and the chat box replies with more or less reliable answers based on the datasets it is trained on. However, the numbers of requests a user can send per hour is limited, which can lead to the aforementioned too many request error. Let's move on and take a look at some of the possible solutions to the error. Now the first thing you can do is to reload this page. Tap on this icon and reload your page. It may also help to solve your problem. Now this solution didn't work, then you can do is to clear cookies and cache of ChatGPT. Now to do so, head over to the three dots at the top right and there tap on settings option. Now from there tap on privacy and security option. Now there you will be able to see clear browsing data option. Tap on that option and make sure to check these two boxes and there tap on clear data button. After tapping on clear data button, you have to again log into your ChatGPT account and it should solve your problem. Now if this solution also didn't work, then the other thing you can do is to log in your ChatGPT in any browser in your PC. This should definitely solve your problem. And those were the solutions to solve ChatGPT Too Many Requests problem. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.